I'm Jasmine, the brand ambassador for Homes for Students, and welcome to East Shore. This is our stylish beachfront student accommodation set in the beautiful surroundings of St Andrews. Known as the home of golf and famous for its stunning beaches, St Andrews is the oldest university town in Scotland and has a long history of welcoming students to its shores. East Shore contains modern and comfortable student flats with ensuite bathrooms. It's only a 15-minute walk to the university and city centre, and with the beach on your doorfront, it's guaranteed to be a very scenic commute. We have 3 buildings here at East Shore, and with 24-hour CCTV, secure card access and great bike storage, you can rest easy knowing you and your belongings are in safe hands. This ensuite room is really bright and spacious. We have a variety of ensuites here at East Shore, all of which come with a 3/4 size double bed, a study area, plenty of storage space and a private ensuite bathroom. The heating, water, electricity and Wi-Fi are all included in the rent, so there's no need to worry about any hassle with extra bills. This is the kitchen that you'll share with flatmates. There's plenty of room for you all to do the cooking together, and it comes with everything you'd need in a kitchen. There's fridge freezers, hobs, ovens and microwaves. Here we are in the lounge area. This is a great place for you and your flatmates to come together to eat and socialise. Or if you want to relax with friends, there's a TV and lounge area for you to chill out. We're now in the lounge area. This is a great social space where you can come to study or hang out with friends any time of the day or night. It's well equipped for a games night with a dartboard, football table and plenty of board games. They also have a smart TV which comes with Netflix, so it's the perfect place to host a movie night or just binge watch your latest TV show. Here we are in the reception area, decorated with beautiful local artwork. This is where you'll find the property team, who are always on hand, really friendly and happy to help. Less than a 2-minute walk from East Shore is East Sands Beach. It's this location that really sets this property apart from others, with guaranteed breathtaking views all year round. A walk on the beach is a great way to take a break from studying and clear your head. Not to mention that the perfect place for a party or barbecue is just outside of your front door. Thank you for taking a tour of East Shore with us today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye!